This is the back wheel from a Bugaboo Cameleon 3, and today we're going to show you how to take off the axle such that you can replace the axle if needed or replace the ball bearings inside. So what you're going to need to start this job is a flathead screwdriver, and you're going to need to get it underneath this. I'm going to start with a thinner one and start to pry off this cap. Can help to use a hammer a little bit to get it underneath. Okay, so underneath the cap, which has a bit of a lock washer under, is a second lock washer. And while you're prying off the cap, if you can get your screwdriver between the cap and the second lock washer, it'll make it a lot easier to get it off. Under that second lock washer is just a regular washer. So there are 3 elements. And now we can pull out the axle. So if your axle has bent, this is how you remove it so that you can replace it. If the problem is rather broken ball bearings, then you can get them out like this and replace them. It's the same on the opposite side. Okay, to remount this, you're going to want to get your washer back in through the back side. Regular washer. First lock washer, and with that first lock washer, what you can do is hit it flat again so that it can actually lock, and then let me see. What I find is easiest with these are these ratchets. And I have ones that have an arm attached at work. Those are quite useful. But in any case, use a ratchet or anything round, a pipe that fits around the axle, but over the top of the lock washer. And then you can knock it flat. There, nice and tight. And then when you get to the cap itself, you can use a rubber mallet, but I find the best is actually a spoon. And since this is a smaller cap than on other places on Bugaboo, I've used an ice cream spoon, and I've just bent it out, and that will help to preserve the dome of the cap. There, back in place. So that's how you disassemble this part of the wheel and put it back together. We hope this video has been helpful. If it has been, we ask that you subscribe, as it helps us to continue making videos in the future. Thank you.